Do you know that pricing can make or break sales? Research also shows that using dynamic pricing can boost revenue by up to 25% and improve inventory turnover by 20%. Plus, more than half of the shoppers consider price the most important factor while deciding what to buy. So it's a really crucial for businesses to adapt their pricing strategies quickly. On top of that, it can be tough to keep pricing consistent across different channels. And let's not forget about the limitations of traditional systems when it comes to real-time data analysis. This can lead to missed opportunities. Akira AI's agentic platform launched AI agents as droids and AI teammates for dynamic pricing, which is a cutting-edge system tailored to retail and consumer industry. These smart agents use real-time data and advanced analytics to create effective pricing strategy. First, fluctuating demand can make pricing decisions uncertain. Companies often scramble to adjust prices, which risk potential losses. Seasonal trends add another layer of complexity. Organizations must adapt their pricing strategies to align with changing customer behavior throughout the year. And managing consistent pricing across various sales channels is also tough, especially as consumers expect fairness in pricing regardless of where they shop. Akira AI's dynamic pricing agents provides a powerful solution to address these challenges. These agents deliver accurate dynamic pricing decisions based on market condition, customer behavior and businesses goals. By using Akira AI's dynamic pricing solutions, businesses can enjoy measurable benefits. It increased their revenue by as much as 25% with smarter pricing. It also helps to boost repeat purchases by 15% through personalized pricing strategies and cut down manual pricing errors by up to 80%. It also helps to respond to market change, which is 50% faster with real time adjustment.